And done. Oh, hi friends. I was just changing my battery. I save over $300 a year changing my own batteries. Doing your own repairs and keeping the things you own in working order can save you a lot of money. Say, that reminds me of the time Sibley went to buy some new electronics, but saved money by doing repairs instead.
Well, hi. My name is Mr. Bill. Welcome to Wimee's electronics store. How may I help you?
Hello, Bill. Do you know how many Bills there are in this town?
At least a dozen. How can I help you today?
Oh, I need a new cell phone, please. My old phone only works for a few minutes and then it shuts down.
Sounds like you just need a new battery.
But the new orange O phones are out anyway.
Well, let me tell you a secret. The new O phones cost over $1,000. I can replace your battery for just $50.
You can?
Or you can buy a new battery for just $20 and replace it yourself.
Whoa. Well, I also need the new X-Swap 10.
Do you have an X-Swap?
Oh, I have 3. I have the X-Swap 7, 8, and 9.
I'll let you in on another secret. They want you to spend more money on things that you don't really need.
Really?
Yes, if your old X-Swap works, why should you buy another one? Not only do you save money, but you also help to save the planet.
Like Fighty Guy and Speedy Feet!
Yes, just like Fighty Guy and Speedy Feet.
Oh, that's so cool!
You can be a hero by resisting on buying things you don't really need.
I gotcha, I hear you.
And most families can save hundreds of dollars a year by fixing their own electronics or by going to a local repair shop.
Okay.
But if it can't be fixed and it has to be replaced, remember to always recycle it.
Got it. Thanks, Mr. Bill. I'll take 1 battery, please. I'm going to do the repair myself.
Okay, great. That'd be $20.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Bill. Oh, I'm going to be Super Sibley! Saving money, saving the planet.
Super Sibley saved the day, and saved money too, by doing his own repairs and not buying something new. You can be a hero too. Before you buy, you should try to repair. Don't make waste, or waste your money. Have you ever fixed something that was broken? What's your superhero name?